Hello, Brianna Owens, SMARTamp here, SMARTamp champ here. I wanted to talk to you about one of my very simple and first SMARTamp workspaces, and this is a really simple workspace, but we use it almost every day because it's a quick 5-minute filler activity and it really requires higher level thinking for kiddos, and it allows me as a teacher to get a quick snapshot of where my students are thinking mathematically, especially working in 3 different grade levels with students with various different math needs and abilities. So the first thing is the teacher directions are always up in the left-hand corner of my AMP spaces. So if you need further directions or guidance, you can look here. This will also include the Common Core State Standards if they're applicable to a lesson. So this is called Here's the Answer, Find the Solution. And this is kind of a common theme. This is not my idea. I stole it from Pinterest. But as a teacher, you're going to put in an answer, and then students are going to have to work to find the equation that would equal that answer. So, for example, maybe the answer that you want is 10. And what's so cool about this lesson is it's applicable for almost any grade. High schoolers could be working on algebraic equations to solve this, and kindergartners could be working on even drawing models of a number to match the answer, or even addition subtraction. So it's really applicable for kids of all levels and abilities, which I like a lot about this template. So then kids are going to work either independently or in groups or with partners. However, you want to configure it based on the amount of tablets that you have. And they can either write in or type in or even add pictures in to represent this problem. So I came from working with kindergarten, so I'm going to show you just what a kindergartner might look like. But the answer is 10, so maybe they want to represent 10 in tally marks, which is one of the standards that they're working on. So one kid might be representing that in tally marks, and another kiddo might be representing that as a picture or as a picture sentence. So for example, 5 triangles plus 5 circles equals 10. Or maybe they're adding in math problems and they want to type in their answers, depending on how they're doing with the keyboard. So maybe they're going to say 5 plus 5, and then that's the equation that equals 10. But what I love about it as a teacher is that I can really see the level that kids are working at, and I can encourage students to either try something simpler or maybe to work a little bit harder. So for example, to challenge one of my kiddos in kindergarten, I would say, well, can you find a subtraction problem that would equal 10? So this is a really quick way to assess students. I use it as an exit ticket or when I have a few extra minutes, and hopefully you find it helpful in your classroom. Be sure to check out my YouTube channel for more great SMARTamp templates and lots of technology tips and tricks.